Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Infinity Free online course today for free. Inside this course, you can get or you can learn many things, including how to get started with Infinity Free, how to manage your website inside this free hosting, also how to manage your domain and SSL certificate, file management and FTP, how to manage your WordPress website in Infinity Free, and also advanced configurations like these ones. To get all of this for free today, plus these courses, and also the upcoming free courses on my university, all you need to do is to visit university-bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial.